Hi guys. So my cousin has a old tractor that just sat out at his house that he said I could have. So we are going to go pick that up right now. Um. So let's go down this road. Now the main bridge is out on this road, so we're gonna take the back way. I still don't know how to get my regular brakes to work, so I'm still using the parking brake for that to work. I honestly don't know why I turned down this way. I should have went the other way instead of turning this way, but that's fine. So this tractor does not run. The engine is locked up and it's all rusty and stuff. So I got a winch on my trailer for that. Almost jackknifed it right there. That would not have been good. So let's go up here. It's getting kind of late in the day, so I'm gonna go get some gas and some food. Yeah, I know I went through because I was trying to use my regular brakes and those don't work for some reason. And don't mind my parking job because it's kind of terrible. Don't worry, I did get closer though than to last time. And I was having a little trouble there. So let's fill up with diesel. And then I just sat there for a little bit. I have a little bit of trouble right here because it wouldn't let me freaking get out of the truck. Now we're out of it. Back in the driver's seat, so let's get some food. I did cut that freaking corner a little sharp. So I'm gonna pull up this way. Now I'm parking under here so I can eat some of the food.
Cheeseburgers.
And I take a drink because I got a little thirsty.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom.
So yeah, then we are going to go get the tractor now. So my cousin's house is this house right here. So pull up in here. Then the tractor is behind his house, so that's why I'm backing up. His house is actually a very nice house. The only bad part is he doesn't have a barn for it. He just has a decent sized garage. I'm not the best at backing up this longer trailer. Especially on controller, it's kind of hard to do. So if you guys can see it, back there, where I'm backing up to. So let's back it up to the tractor so we could try loading it. Open the panel board so we could let the ramps down so we could hook up the winch to the tractor. So let's hold that on.
Cheeseburgers.
Don't know why I was holding the cheese burger there, but I was. So let's load this on there now. So let's finish loading this up. Now we are getting ready to go back to the shop. So let's pull out of his driveway. I was drifting it a little bit there. I completely missed that. I have no clue why I turned this way again. I should have went the other way, but I didn't. So I'll let you guys just watch me driving back, and I'll talk to y'all when I get there. So we're almost there. Don't mind that. My freaking game was just lagging, and then it kicked the trailer out. I think it's because I had the tractor a little too far back, but it's fine. If y'all would like to see me play another game on Roblox or something, just comment it. I will read it. My comment that I get. And I hope you guys are liking my videos that I make. And I hope y'all like and subscribe. I will probably be posting another Call of Duty video later. So it's been a few days since we brought the tractor in. So don't know why I did that. Just ran up to the truck. So if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. So let's get to the tractor. So this is what the pulling tractor looks like now. Let's start her up. And my game lagged it here, so let's start her up and go. For a test drive real quick. This tractor is pretty fast for the small weight class it turns. Of course it wouldn't be versing like a John Deere 4440 because it's in a smaller weight class. I mean, if it had too much power for the little weight class, then I might try bumping it up to be in like the class with the 4440 and stuff, or the 4020. 4440 is a little big of a push for that, but yeah. So I hope y'all like my videos and have fun watching them. Have a good day.